Good morning. Let's talk about how weaning is going. So I am down to 3 pumps a day, and then maybe like a little bit of nursing, like maybe. And so that's how that's going. I slept in. So last night I was up until midnight doing like my last pump of the night. And then my husband is so sweet. He took the kids this morning and I slept until 10. Yes, honey. So anyway, this is what we've got this morning. I'm gonna assume that that's like 9.5. And that's like 9. So like almost 19 ounces. I feel a lot better. Let's make some coffee. Actually, I gotta pull these together. This is from yesterday, so we'll see how much I pumped. I did nurse maybe 2 to 3 times yesterday. So, and then I obviously pumped 3 times. Ooh, there's a little plug on top. Okay. 34 ounces. So that's definitely coming down because like a couple weeks ago I was making 50 ounces a day. So we're successful in going down. Because like if I'm just pumping 3 times a day, that is maintainable. That is easy. You know, it was the nursing and pumping because I was just making so much. So alright, we're gonna put this in the fridge and let's make some coffee. Also, I've been starting to integrate some frozen milk. So I just put it in this little mug and let it sit overnight. That's been working well. So now let's actually make coffee. I'm gonna make some coffee for me and my honey. Yesterday, I ran into Stop and Shop because I needed to get some stuff to make the pizzas last night. And while I was in there, I saw this. Stop and Shop brand hazelnut creamer. Let me tell you, growing up, my grandma would buy, she always had this in her fridge. Me and my cousin would go crazy for this, okay? And they stopped making it, okay? At least they stopped selling it in our state. So anywho, I saw it and I backpedaled and I was like, I'm in here for cheese right now, but what is that? So let's taste it to see if it's actually the same. I think that might actually be the same. Anyhow, all right, we do like a spoon of that into each one, a tad bit more, just for flavor, and then top it off with some milk. And this, honey, is this the Dunkin' iced coffee? What flavor? What coffee is this?
Hazelnut.
Oh, I thought this was the Dunkin'. Okay, well, can you make some Dunkin' for later?
I thought you didn't like it.
Well, no, I prefer to get it at Dunkin' because I feel like it tastes better, but I don't know, maybe we're making it wrong. Maybe we need to Google the ratios.
Put sugar in it at Dunkin' and more cream. They put less coffee in it there. I put more coffee here.
Maybe that's what I'm saying. It might be like a little bit, you might be making it strong. I don't know. All right, let me get some straws.
You can probably add more milk.
That's nice. All right. Hon, your coffee's done.
Thanks.
All right, I am probably going to make my Nutella and strawberry oats. I might work out. I gotta put Kennedy down for a nap. We were supposed to go to the park this morning, but then I overslept. So we gotta put Kennedy down for a nap because we're going to my grandparents' house this afternoon. Yes, honey. So I'm gonna put Kennedy down for a nap. I think I'm gonna go and get a workout in and then make my strawberry Nutella oats. If y'all wanna see that, let me know. All right, I will chat with you guys in a bit. Happy Saturday. Oh, I'm missing my mouth. Oh my gosh.